Welcome to the enchanting world of magic and manifestation. Today, we'll guide you through a powerful salt ritual to attract money and prosperity into your life. For this salt ritual, you'll need a few simple yet potent items: a bowl of sea salt, a green candle, a small piece of paper, a pen, and a small pouch. Begin by cleansing your space and items with sage or Palo Santo. This helps to remove any negative energies and prepares your tools for the ritual. Light the green candle, symbolizing growth and prosperity. As the flame burns, focus on your intention to attract money and abundance. Salt has been used for centuries in various rituals due to its powerful purifying and protective properties. It is also believed to attract prosperity and cleanse any negative energy blocking your financial flow. On the piece of paper, write a positive affirmation related to money. It could be something like, "Money flows to me easily and abundantly." As you write, visualize yourself surrounded by financial prosperity. Place the written affirmation into the bowl of salt. The salt will absorb your intentions and magnify your desire for abundance. Hold the bowl close to your heart. Close your eyes and vividly imagine money flowing into your life. See yourself achieving your financial goals, feeling secure and prosperous. Take a pinch of salt and sprinkle it around your home or workspace, especially near the entrance and windows. This will help to attract positive financial energy and create a protective barrier against negativity. Place some of the salt along with the affirmation paper into a small pouch. Keep this pouch in your purse, wallet, or a place where you handle your finances. It will serve as a constant reminder of your intention and continue to draw money into your life. By focusing your intention and using the powerful energy of salt, you can attract money and prosperity. Thank you for joining us. If you found this ritual helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, may your days be filled with magic and abundance.